guys, this is Walkera team. Now let's give you some guides about Scott X4. This time, we especially aim to landing gear and gimbal angle operations. First, code binding. Turn on power. Turn on Bluetooth device and you will see green LED light flashes. Turn on setting of your tablet and connect with Bluetooth. Turn on your GPS app. Enter stick mode. When you see red LED flashes until it goes out, it means code binding finished successfully. Then you can click to enter landing gear and gimbal control interface. Now you can control retractable landing gear by clicking landing gear icon. And same way, click gimbal direction icon to control gimbal angle.